Hello kids, welcome to KiddosTV. Today we are going to learn the numbers. We will be tracing all these numbers and find the missing ones. Let us get started. What is this?
1,
What comes after 1?
2,
This is.
3,
What comes after 3?
4,
This is.
5,
What comes after 5?
6,
This is.
7,
What comes after 7?
8,
This is.
9,
What comes after 9?
10,
Now we will change the color. Which color is this?
red,
This is
1, 1,
11.
11,
What comes after 11?
12,
This is.
13,
What comes after 13?
15,
14.
14,
1,
1,
4,
4,
14.
14,
This is
5,
15.
15,
1,
1,
5,
5,
15.
15.
What comes after 15?
6,
What comes after 15?
7,
16.
16,
1,
1,
6, 16.
6,
This is
1,
17. What comes after 17?
18,
This is
19,
what comes after 19?
20.
20. Thank you kids for learning the numbers with me. I hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe. Bye bye.